In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. This is our 12th lecture of maths. Today we will do our written work of solve these in maths copy. First of all, draw a margin line, then draw a straight line above the page. Now write C dot W in the middle of the line and date on corner on the specific day. Then skip two lines and write solve these. Then write HTU in each box and then write 7 2 below H. Put the sign of addition. Then write 4 1 below T and 3 3 below U. Again write HTU and then write 2 1 below H. Put the sign of addition and then write 8 0 below T. Then write 7 2 below U. In the next line, again write HTU in each box. Write 2 1 below H and then put the sign of subtraction. Write 6 4 below T. Write 3 2 below U. Again write H T U and then write 3 1 below H. Again put the sign of subtraction. Then write 9 3 below T and then 6 2 below U. Prepare your sketch as you see in the picture. Look at these digits 3 plus 3. 3 is in the mind, another digit is 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Now we will count after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Write 6 in the box. 4 plus 1. 4 is in the mind, another digit is 1. Count 1. Now we will count after 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Write 5 in the box. 7 plus 2. 7 is in the mind. Another digit is 2. Let's count 1, 2. Now we will count after 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Write 9 in the box. Next, 7 plus 2. 7 is in the mind. Another digit is 2. Let's count 1, 2. Now we will count after 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Write 9 in the box. 8 plus 0. Remember, 0 में कोई भी नंबर प्लस करेंगे तो नंबर वही रहेगा. 8 प्लस करेंगे तो 8 रहेगा. अगर यहाँ कोई और नंबर दिया जाता जैसे 6 या 7 तो 0 में प्लस करने के बाद नंबर वही रहता. सो द आंसर इज 8. वी हैव टू राइट 8 इन द बॉक्स. 2 इज इन द माइंड. अनदर डिजिट इज 1. काउंट 1. नाउ वी विल काउंट आफ्टर 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Write 3 in the box. Next, 3 minus 2. We will count 3, 1, 2, 3. Another digit is 2. In 3, we will cut 2, 1, 2. Now we will count the remaining number 1. So the answer is 1. We have to write 1 here. 6 minus 4. We will count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another digit is 4. In 6, we will cut 4. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will count the remaining numbers 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Write 2 in the box. 2 minus 1. We will count 2, 1, 2. Another digit is 1. In 2, we will cut 1. Now we will count the remaining number 1. So the answer is 1. Write 1 in the box. Next is 6 minus 2. Now we will count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another digit is 2. In 6, we will cut 2, 1, 2. Now let's count the remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. We have to write 4 in the box. 9 minus 3. Let's count 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 9, we will cut 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we will count the remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. We have to write 6 here. 3 minus 1. Let's count 3, 1, 2, 3. In 3, we will cut 1. So cut 1. Let's count the remaining numbers 1, 2. So the answer is 2. We have to write 2 in the box. On the next page, now prepare your sketch for your homework. Write H.W in the middle of the line and date on corner on the specific day. Then skip 2 lines and write solve these. Prepare your sketch as you see in the picture. Now this is your home task. Do homework in maths copy and also do practice of solve these in AR. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.